Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
In our previous lecture, we covered how to consume the API routes that we created. But there was a limitation with this approach, and that is we are losing our typings over here. So if you see user.firstname, you're not able to get its data type. The same goes with the last name and age as well. So in order to resolve this, what we'll do is instead of consuming it via API, we'll be directly using the methods that we have defined in our storage. So if you see users.ts file, we had this get users, get user, and add user. So here in our index.tsx route that we have, we will be getting rid of the create async method over here. And instead of this, we will be directly calling the get user method. So here, if I go ahead and say get users and close it like this, so you'll notice that we're getting this error. And the reason behind it, because we have not imported the users from the library. So let's go ahead and do that, import, and we'll say get users from lib users. Now we have that thing in place. You'll see the error has gone. And what we can do now is if you come over here, you'll see that user.firstname is now coming up with the proper type definition, that it's a string. Same goes for last name and then for age as well. So now let's go ahead and run this using npm run dev and see it in action. So you'll notice over here that we're not getting any result. Now the reason behind that is we have not yet made this file users.ts to run only on the server. So for that, we will have to make use of this keyword use server. And once we have done that, we'll be restarting this thing, and there you go. So you have the list of users coming up over here. And if I click any user, you'll see the details of that particular user. So these two are now directly being used from the storage that we created. And we are skipping the API route approach over here to ensure that we have our typings intact. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.